McKinsey just dropped a report: 400 million jobs vanishing by 2027. That is not speculation. That is their research. Right now, AI is automating faster than anyone predicted. Google's NotebookLM just replaced 12 research analysts at major firms. One software, 12 salaries gone. Goldman Sachs estimated 300 million jobs at risk globally. Not in 50 years, in 36 months. Data entry is already obsolete. Automation tools process 10,000 forms daily. What took humans weeks now takes minutes. Your industry is next. Customer service roles are bleeding out fast. Chatbots handle 85% of support calls now. Companies are cutting entire departments. This is happening to your neighbors right now. Your mortgage depends on income that AI is targeting. The jobs disappearing first are the ones you know: administrative assistants, junior developers, content moderators, accountants. These roles are actively being replaced this quarter. Not tomorrow, today. The World Economic Forum confirms it clearly. Reskilling is mandatory or you get left behind. Your choice is simple right now. Adapt or become unemployable by 2027. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.